Hey guys, I'm Nirmiti Patoe and I welcome you all to my new channel, The Gauran Way. So right now I am in my village Satara. Through this channel I am going to show you the phenomenal lifestyle of a village and some traditional aspects related to it. So let's go. So the first episode is regarding traditional means of water heating. This is called as a water heater. In Marathi we call it as a bumber. So now I am going to show you how it works, what is its principle along with the speciality. चला तर मग बंब पेटूया. Now I am going to pour the cold water inside this bumber via this vessel. This is called as karshi in Marathi. So this is one opening of bumber, as you all can see. So I am going to pour the cold water. See, this water is very cold. I am going to pour this water. Now I have poured 3 vessels of cold water inside the bumber. You guys might be wondering what exactly is the purpose of this bumber. So let me tell you, this bumber is mostly used for bathing purpose. So I have with me this neem leaves and they are very beneficial for your health. They have antioxidants which are very useful for your skin. So if you consume them while bathing, it is really very good. Now I am going to put this neem leaves inside the water. So you can see this is a larger opening of the bumber. I have put them inside the water. The water is very cold now. Yeah. So now let's move towards the next step. Now I have closed this bumber. The next step is to insert the wooden sticks. So I have with me this wooden sticks. Now I am going to insert inside this burner. ह्याला मराठीमध्ये आपण जळण म्हणतो. So one by one I am going to put inside this bumber. Now everything is set. Wooden sticks are also inserted. Chilled water is also there inside the bumber. Now let's move towards the most important step. So I have with me this matchstick and this paper. तर अशा प्रकारे आपला बंब पेटू लागला आहे. यू कॅन सी द स्मोक ओव्हर हियर. सी ॲशेस आर ऑल्सो देअर. राख पण आहे आपल्याकडे. आता मी ही वुडन स्टिक घालते परत. 5 ते 10 मिनिटाच्या अंतरावर तुम्ही वुडन स्टिक घालू शकता. नाव विल पोर द हॉट वॉटर इनसाइड दिस बकेट. सी यू कॅन सी. या द वॉटर इज व्हेरी वॉर्म. वाव. This is really amazing. After 15 to 20 minutes, the water gets boiled. You can see this. So I'm closing the tap. Okay, so the procedure is finally completed. Now let's discuss the speciality of this bumber. So first of all, it saves a lot of electricity. It requires no gas connection. Secondly, it is seen as a symbol of rural culture. Many people, even now in villages, use this bumber to preserve the culture, to preserve the tradition. Third point is that you can also use this bumber for storage purpose. If you are not using it for bathing purpose, then you can store the cold water inside it and you can use it for washing the clothes or utensils. काय मग कशी वाटली बंबाची कमाल? सबस्क्राईब करा की राव. आणि हो, जर तुम्हाला हा व्हिडिओ बघून तुमच्या गावाची आठवण आली असेल किंवा अशा छोट्या छोट्या गोष्टी एक्सपिरियन्स करायच्या असतील तर नक्कीच कमेंट सेक्शन मध्ये कळवा. इफ यू लाईक दिस व्हिडिओ देन प्लीज लाईक, शेअर, सबस्क्राईब अँड कमेंट. थँक्यू सो मच.